Hello everybody, my name is Quake and Bacon, and it has just been brought to my attention that on my channel currently I have never battled two switchframe Beys together. So I'm going to go ahead and fix that right now.
You're welcome, everyone and Quake, because I was the one that had noticed that.
Yeah, I hadn't noticed. So today we're going to be doing a pretty epic battle. Insta, I hope you don't mind, but I'm going to be putting Backlash up against something pretty fierce. Pretty fierce right now.
Oh, is it Samuraiser?
No, you're going to have to earn that.
Oh.
Today we're going to be doing a battle between Inferno Backlash 00 Extend Plus and Zankye's Bey Maiden Heaven with my personal combo Vanguard Charge. It's going to be wild. What should be the points?
Easy clap.
Easy clap. Easy clap. What points do you want it to go to? How many points?
There's gonna be no burst unless I burst his base, so...
Oh, hilarious.
How about 15?
Oh, that's still a lot.
Fine, 10.
Yeah, okay.
Like, you have to give my permission.
Yeah. Thanks, Dad.
Kill it, Backlash.
Backlash. Get it.
This is the first Backlash video on your channel, too.
Yep.
And Maiden Heaven. What?
Oh. Oh.
Easy.
Oh, by the way, so Backlash is in right spin attack mode with the blades facing the rotational direction, and it is in stamina mode Extend Plus.
Yes.
Yes. Easy clap. I don't think
Easy clap.
I don't think Zankye will appreciate your words.
Well, he's gonna learn to love them.
Oh! Whoa! Whoa! What was that about easy clap? I
have to make the battle interesting.
Oh, shut up. Secretly, you're just starting to sweat. Oh, shit. Sweating yet?
Not in the slightest.
Not
cool
in the
as
slightest.
A cucumber.
Cool. Cucumbers are cool?
Yeah, shut up.
I didn't know that, okay? Scooty!
Did you put me in defense mode?
Yeah. I switched it to defense mode. Scooty, you get out of here. Oh! Get out of here! Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh! Ooh, 2-2.
Ah, you suck.
Oh, Jesus. Come now. Surely we can be friends.
Until I die you.
Until I game end you. You can't say die on YouTube. Shit!
DIY.
I just said shit! Shit! What is that?
Wrecked.
Is that is that 3-2?
4-2. I wonder if it has the fortitude.
Does Backlash have the fortitude to keep coming?
Yeah.
Spooky!
Get it out of there, Backlash.
Oh! 4-3.
Backlash.
Yes.
Oh, come on, Quake.
Shut up. Extend Plus is hard. Giggity. Screw it! We're just... Maiden Heaven's going first. Backlash giving me a little bit backspace. Oh my god, really? What is happening?
Same pocket 3 times in a row.
Shut up.
Can we get a 4? 4, 4, 4. Can we get a...
4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Oh! What is that? I don't remember the score anymore.
5, 2,
3.
3.
Yeah. I'm putting Backlash back in stamina.
Or go full attack.
No. I like my stadium in one piece, thank you.
Oh yeah.
Stop moving! Backlash! Can you not?
Sorry, I'm too good.
Is that 6 to 3?
Yep.
Six to 4. Zip to point, Spider Kids.
Spider Kids.
6 to 4, Spider Kids. Ah! Just watched like a last second KO. 7 to 4, Spider Kids.
Do you have a left spin unilock?
I do.
How funny would it be if left spin attack mode?
Looks like you're gonna need it here. 7 to 5, Spider Kids. If it gets within like a 1 point range, I'll help you out.
Epic.
Okay, left spin mode it is.
Left spin attack mode.
Is it 7 to 6 now?
Yes.
You should start sweating. Things are getting
I'm not worried.
Things are not working out for you right now.
I'm not worried at all.
Hang on, let me go through my bag of goodies.
You should pause the video so people aren't waiting forever.
Well, I already have what I'm looking for. Don't even worry about it.
Epic.
Mo change!
No change.
Ich. Ich.
Ich.
Ich.
Ich. There we go. Now your base stands no chance.
do you want left spin defense mode or left spin attack mode?
Left spin attack mode.
Oh, good. Okay.
No, actually go defense mode. I don't want to break your stadium.
I was already in attack mode and right spin. It just wasn't moving around a whole bunch.
Okay.
Idiot.
Hey!
What?
I might be, but you didn't have to say it.
Yes, I did.
You're right, good.
Do you want the extend plus to be in attack mode too?
Yep.
Okay.
Kill it, Backlash.
7 to 6. Seven to 7.
Backlash, I said kill it.
Do it.
Do it.
Do it. Ah.
Not a word.
Do it. Jeez. Is that 8 to 7?
Dude, I just pulled off what freaking almost messed up right there.
Almost.
I just pulled off what Arthur did to Amani in the last episode.
That isn't even out yet. No one knows. Everyone slept through it. Oh, Jesus! 9 to 7.
Oh my goodness!
That scared the hell out of me.
Dude,
shit!
What the heck? What the heck?
That was terrifying.
What the heck?
Okay. I'm kind of scared.
You should be.
I legit flinched.
Oh my god!
Something's broken. I can hear it. Something broke.
No way.
10 to... What broke?
Nothing broke.
Huh. Nothing broke. How strange.
We should go to 15, because this is getting awesome.
Okay. Is it 10 to 7 now?
Yeah.
Ten to 8. Spartacus!
Spartacus. Maiden cannon keys.
Don't say Maiden Heaven and Kiss, okay? Because then you're gonna get some Backlash X Maiden Heaven fan art. Peas. 10 to
Peas.
10 to 9. Spider peas. 10 to 9.
Great.
Oh, jeez! No! Did you see that? It just refuses to fall out.
Oh, Backlash.
Backlash has the LAD like you would not believe. 11 to 9.
You would not believe it.
You would not believe your eyes.
A 10 million Backlash slide.
Shut up. Shut up. You ruined it.
No, you did.
You ruined it and I hate it. Ah! Ah! Come on! Hang in there! I'm kind of rooting for Maiden Heaven right now because of the absolute renal apage that's happening.
Stop it. Don't say that ever.
Is it 12 to 9? It's 12 to 9.
Oh, 12 to 9, yeah.
12 to 9, Spider Kiss! Whoa! Whoa! 15 to 9, Spider Kiss!
Give that one to Maiden.
No, it stopped spinning.
Okay.
Ah. What is it? 14 to 9?
Yep.
If Maiden Heaven doesn't breach the 10-point mark, I'm gonna be kind of disappointed.
Disrespect him.
Oh, fatality! All right, that was awesome. Nothing broke.
Awesome.
I am so happy that nothing broke.
Dude, that was amazing.
That was awesome. I should do more of those.
Yes.
You'll guys get that. I can't even English right now.
You guys.
You guys will get that in a few days here. Yeah, it doesn't look like anything broke on Backlash either.
Of course not. It's the ultimate bay.
Well, that is absolutely unequivocally true in every regard. I don't know if you guys have seen it or not yet. You probably should. This thing held its own against Jinx Ouroboros and Exodus Hydra. I don't know if you know anything about this bay. How much did you say it weighed with the 00 combo? Like 60 grams altogether?
Oh no, it's like 52.
52? And then how much is Hydra's layer alone?
60.
I don't know if you guys know this, but this bay here kept up with that disgusting metal Chungus Xander bay. And the only metal in it is this right here. So this thing is just outrageously powerful. It's just stupid unfair to go up against, and I love it.
The best thing Quick's ever made.
Well, second best. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.